What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I am Dr. Lianna, and this is going to be a short head to toe adjustment video. Before we adjusted him, we did do a therapy session, which is basically cupping therapy, Graston, massage gun work, and then muscle release using muscle massage techniques. I call it more of like a sports massage, but we did that, then adjusted him pretty much head to toe, everything. And now I will say, he's a very big guy. He is probably in the top five people that are most difficult for me to adjust. He's very hard to adjust just again because he has a lot of muscle. There's a difference between being just a big person in general and having a lot of muscle, dense muscle. It's just really hard to fight through it. And as well as that, you can't really hear his adjustments, his cavitations, because the muscle absorbs it. So if you're a crack addict, I apologize. I can hear them when I'm adjusting personally, but it's hard to hear through video. But yeah, enjoy it. Give this video a thumbs up. We did, like I said, everything head to toe, neck, upper back, CT, mid back, low back, hips, ankles, as well as the shoulder one. Again, the shoulder one on him, that's where it's kind of hard to see, but I'm like looping my arm through his arm. I had to modify it because his strength out-strengthens me, but again, that's a very difficult one to do on him when it's fairly easy on anyone else. And then the last one is the occiput lift. That's the one where he's turning his head to the side. He tends to, his occiput, which is like way up here on your skull, it tends to always shift to the right. So that's why I have his head tilting this way, and you just lift it up. I don't do it on a whole lot of my patients because or my new patients, I should say, because it is a little bit awkward, I guess, but it feels really good. People absolutely love that adjustment, especially if you deal with headaches. It's a really, really solid adjustment, so I don't whip that out until like the fourth visit with someone, and if they truly need it. So yeah, that's going to basically be the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Put your comments down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, move it over. Okay, squeeze out. Oh, yeah, there you go. Okay, and then keep them like that. Opposite shoulder.
Finally got it.
Where do you feel it?
Huh?
Where do you feel it?
In my middle.
All the way to the mid?
Mm-hmm.
Really? Nice. Back, back, back. And to the side. Nice. Well, forward here in my hands. There you go. Did it already go?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Yeah, that's I needed it.